The Omcan conveyor oven, thanks to its multiple advantages, stands out from all the other competitors in the market. With the exterior designed and manufactured from smooth stainless steel material, the Omcan conveyor oven is robust and reliable, withstanding everyday kitchen operation, but can also be used as a toaster to toast bagels, English muffins, or any other kind of bread. This oven has an extended 14-inch wide stainless steel conveyor belt and adjustable opening from 1.5 to 3 inches high, with a large warming chamber for your best production. Thanks to its 3,600-watt quartz infrared heating technology, this conveyor oven can cook up to those 350 slices of bread per hour. The heat can be adjusted individually on the top and bottom by 2 different dials on the control panel to get a more consistent result. The third adjustment knob controls the conveyor speed, which helps in browning the products precisely. This unit is equipped with a crumb tray to keep the breadcrumbs from falling under the toaster and minimize your cleaning time. This unit is ideal for any large kitchen, cafe, or restaurant. To get more information, you can visit us at www.omcan.com.